Hi everyone. Let's go to one of our video in our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show this 1956 Lincoln Premier that's made by Sunstar Platinum in a 1:18 scale. But before we unbox it, please don't forget to like my video, to share it, and to subscribe my channel. So let's go on. Before we go on, let's take a peek at the car as it is. That's awesome. So let's unbox it. So once we've unboxed the car, we can take now a better look. I really like those Sunstar Platinum cars, not just because they make those American classic cars, but because of the quality they really use in their model cars. Let's take a look at this. The front of this car. This is 1956 Lincoln Premier. As we know, the 57's got double headlights, vertical, just like in the Ford Galaxy in 1965. And this grill here is it's really a mock-up grill. It's not an actual grill, but it's perfect, as well as this emblem and this hood ornament we have here. As we open the hood, we can see that the mechanism is correct, as well as the engine and all its components. The engine bay is really so realistic that for some minutes, if we look at them, it seems like we're looking at a real car instead of looking at a model car. It's really fantastic. That's very nice. I really like those windshield wipers and antenna, as well as the trim around the windows that are made with such perfection. It's really fantastic. Now, looking at the interior, we can see the carpet, the rubber mat, the dashboard, the trim, which is automatic, as we can see, a couple of pedals, something that could be an air conditioner or sound system, the buttons and knobs we find, the seats that fold towards the front and the back seats. The seats don't have seat belts because they were not, I think they were not an obligation at the time. The handle and lock are separate pieces, as well as the trim around the windows, which are all perfect. The trunk, it's got a Continental kit with the Lincoln badge right here. It's made in a photo etched, as well as this Premier we find here in the end of a rear fender. Those fins, they're typical of 1950s Lincolns. This trunk that has a fabric mat, actually, the jack, and a trunk lid which is made with such realism that's impressive. This car is really amazing. As we look at the driver's side, we can see the steering wheel and the dashboard a little bit better, as well as sun visors and the headliner. They're made with such perfection, as well as in the inside lights and the mirror and the vent windows, which are really realistic. Now looking at the bottom, as we can see, the X-shaped frame, the chassis, which is perfect. The front and rear axles with working suspensions with springs, coil springs, the steering system, as well as the engine and tranny and the drive shaft, which is fixed. But it's all made with all perfection, with very high quality, as well as those wheels and tires. I really like this car, so I think this is a very nice model to have in a Diecast classic car collection. So I'd like to thank you for watching the video, for your likes and comments, for subscribing my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to share this video, to like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye bye.